Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is the live trading session. If you see, it's around 9:48. Before this I was making the Hindi video. So our trades were finished within 15 minutes of market opening. Uh, so let's see which trades we have taken and why. If you see, the profit is good. I'll just show you the fund which we had available today. If you see, the fund was 12,000, and with 12,000 we have made more than 10,000 rupees profit. So this is the profit for today. Let's see the trades which we have taken. If you see, the first trade was Maruti at 6,794, around 917. That is 916 end candle. If you see, that was, we'll take it here. Yes. So somewhere near the low, 84 is the low for the day. We had taken somewhere here, okay, at the 94 level. And then the target was 70 points. Why it was 70 points? If you see, this was almost the high of that day. So based on that, I had predicted that 5 points plus or minus can go, and I had placed an order here. You could have said that, you can say that I could have stayed in the trade for long. Yes, I could have, but two reasons for the exit of the trade. One, the major one, that I usually take around 50 to 70 points very easily in Maruti. And so the first reason here is that if you see, this was the range high. So chances was that once again it can come down and then push up. So I did not wanted to keep my capital for this, because if you see, with 12,000, the only trade which I could have taken was this. And then if it goes up like this, if it did not go up, it stays for long, then my capital would have been stuck there. So it's better to take some profit and come back, and then if you want, and you can enter the trade. Okay, now the reason for the trade was, if you see, for the whole day yesterday, after the first few candles, it stayed in this range. Okay, so there was two plan for me. One, if it opens gap down and gap down and then comes and goes this above this 6,800 level, then I would buy. Okay, because that means the sellers are done with their positions and buyers are coming back. Okay, now the second thing was gap up and then come down. That's what happened. Okay, gap up and then it came down to that low level of this range, and then it's almost broke the range. If you see, it almost broke the range, and then it started going up. That was the reason which I took. For me, as you see, from last 2 days market was pumping, not last 2 days, last few days, but Maruti did not perform as it was expected. If you see, the day chart also, it is going down, 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 down. So there was a chance that, if you see, this is the range low, days range low also, so chances were that it will bounce back, and that's what happened. So that's the reason this trade was taken, and it was executed within, if you say here, I had taken 1 2 3 4 minutes. Within 4 minutes this trade was done. Okay, next trade was Asian Paints. Okay, I'll show you where and why. So before I'll go to the timings, I think it was okay, before it was around 9:30 which I had taken. Yes, if you see, 9:30 was the entry, 9:32 was the exit. Okay, now I'll show you how and why I had taken a trade here. If you see on the day candle, it has been trying to go up. Okay, but again it has been pushed by the sellers, pushed down about this 2200 level. So the chances for me was, whenever it crosses the low, this range low, that is around 2208, okay, that was the sell point for me, sell trigger for me. That's what happened. If you see, until here it opened almost there and it went up. Okay, I did not take any attention until it was above this. When it came to my level, if you see, around 908 207, I sold it. Okay, 207 I sold it, and 11.5 was my target. Why 11 points? Because around 300 to 400 points will be the brokerage. So based on that, I calculated that if I get 3,000 rupees profit on this trade, that could be fine. So if you see, 96 was my exit, and even now it is at that point only. So that is the point. Now before I wind up this, now for me bank Nifty is little bit negative for the day wise. Now I would prefer to sell at this point. Okay, as soon as I close this video, I'll sell an asset. For me, the target would be good amount of target. First target will be this, second target will be this. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe, and share the channel. Thank you.